Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade ghee. We'll begin by gathering our simple ingredients and essential tools. You'll need 1 pound, or about 450 grams, of unsalted butter, preferably organic for the richest flavor. Make sure you have a heavy-bottomed pot, a fine mesh strainer, and a clean, airtight jar ready. This process is straightforward and yields a delicious, versatile fat for your kitchen. Let's get started on this culinary journey together. Yep. Now, let's move to the stovetop. Place your butter in the heavy-bottomed pot and melt it slowly over medium-low heat. As it melts, it will begin to foam, and you'll notice the milk solids separating and sinking to the bottom. It's crucial to maintain a gentle simmer, not a vigorous boil, to prevent burning. Continue cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the milk solids at the bottom turn a beautiful golden brown color. This careful simmering is key to developing ghee's distinct flavor. Once the milk solids at the bottom of your pot have turned a lovely golden brown, it's time to remove the pot from the heat. Let it cool for just a few minutes. This helps settle any remaining foam. Gently skim off any last bits of foam from the surface using a spoon. Then, carefully pour the warm liquid through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with a few layers of cheesecloth, into your prepared clean jar. This step ensures your ghee is perfectly clear and pure. Congratulations, you've made your own homemade ghee. Once it has cooled completely, it will solidify into a beautiful golden, semi-solid state. Store your ghee in a clean, airtight container at room temperature. It doesn't require refrigeration and can last for several months. Ghee is excellent for high-heat cooking, like sautéing and stir-frying, because of its high smoke point, around 485 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy its rich, nutty flavor in all your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.